Oh, I am loving it. Check out what a massive Kit Kat I got. Oh, that's not fair. Bon appetit.
Aw, forget it.
I have to get the most out of this possible. I know. First, I'll grab myself a glass. No, this one isn't quite right. There we go. Yeah! And now I'll fill it with nice cold milk.
Okay.
All that's left is to open my Kit Kat. Oh, it's so good.
Yes!
Okay.
It's high time I got to eating too. Oh man, only this thing is so heavy I can't actually lift it. Weakling. No biggie. I know what to do. I just need my chainsaw. You're scaring me. Cut it out. What did you do, Emma? I'm covered in chocolate. Sorry, it was necessary. And now I can easily pick up my chocolate bar.